So I'm alone in Idaho again. Thank you Sol de Janeiro for sponsoring this portion of today's video. Good morning everyone, I'm fresh out of the shower, and before I put on any skincare or any makeup, let's hydrate and moisturize. I've got a 3-step, super easy post-shower routine, and you know what? I also shaved, so I'm about to be feeling like butter right now. To begin, I'm going in with my Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom Body for Mesa oil. What I love about this oil is that it's non-greasy, fast absorbing. I cannot even tell you how long it took me to find the right oil that doesn't make me look like a grease ball, but also leaves my skin firm. I can almost 100% attest that this is an essential for every college girl. All of my friends have this on their bathroom counter. I walk in, I see the logo, and I know they're smelling good. They're keeping up with their hygiene. Now that I'm all oiled up, this next part is completely optional, but I would highly recommend it because it's kind of like a gua sha, but for your body. I like to give myself a little at-home lymphatic drainage massage. Bloating is no joke, which is why I will take any steps necessary to relieve that, because it is a natural occurrence. Everybody gets bloated. The mornings are one of the most puffiest times for your body. I would recommend doing this duo both in the morning and at night. And of course, I will lock in the moisture even more with the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Boom Boom Cream. I know 2023 just began, but it's never too late to start making goals. Treating our skin every day should be just as easy as brushing our teeth, making our bed. When I put on Sol de Janeiro, I'm showing love to my body. Holy cow, my skin feels amazing and prepped. From the brand that brought us the iconic Boom Boom Cream, Sol de Janeiro has now launched their Boom Boom Body for Mesa oil, which is available at soldejaneiro.com. Also, while you've got these in your cart, I definitely would recommend adding this as well. Thank you Sol de Janeiro for sponsoring that portion of today's video. How cute is this little setup for Valentine's Day? I'm actually obsessed. Good afternoon. When I filmed earlier, that was in the morning, and now it's the afternoon. Let's get cozy. I just got back from, what was that, 3-4 hours of me socializing. There's this older couple that I became very close with whenever I moved here, and they invited me to Chile with their friends. So I had a lot of good conversations with very, very intelligent people. And now I'm back home. Oh, it feels so, so good to be back home. Today, it is January 14th, 2023. I got back on the 10th. So 4 days ago, and this whole first week I've had my classes for the second semester. So all new classes, much more difficult classes might I add, but it's been fun, and yeah, just getting back into the groove. I had a really, really good first week back. That makes me really hopeful for 2023 and all the amazing things that are gonna be coming soon. I've mentioned this on my podcast, on my TikTok live that I did this morning, and in so many other places, that something very, very exciting is happening soon, and bigger things are coming this year. So all I gotta say is, if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. If you have been a long-time subscriber, I love you. You're a real one. So let's talk about 2023, what uploading is gonna look like, and then also kind of just the content that you're gonna be seeing. I love constructive feedback and constructive criticism. And so I asked on my Instagram a bunch of different things. I think I did 4 slides of different polls and just questionnaires. I decided that every Friday I'm gonna be uploading a video. If you know, last year I uploaded quite a lot. I kind of overworked myself, and that's just because I have an addiction to working. But for now, it's set to 1 upload a week, which is going to be on Friday. And if I do decide to upload a second time, 2 times in a week, that'll most likely be on a Tuesday. Comment down below what time works best for you. I wanted to ask that on my YouTube channel because obviously you're watching this video. I want to know what time works best for you. And then whatever everybody says, I'll find like the median point, and then that'll be the time that I upload on Fridays. But for sure Fridays, and then look out on Tuesdays. My podcast episodes are coming out every Friday. Also put that on your calendar as well. Friday right at midnight. So, okay. I got a lot of responses saying that y'all loved Vlogmas, and that was like the content that you just absolutely ate up, which makes me really happy because I poured a lot of my heart and effort into Vlogmas, and then I was really sad when I couldn't finish it because my grandmother passed away. So I'm going to be doing more vlog style videos, but I also really want to challenge myself this year, not only in the editing that I'm doing, but also the filming. So right now I'm filming on my white camera. And I've said this before, but I just for some reason never use this camera because it's obviously much more clearer and it kind of has more like a professional look, and the vlog camera, the Canon G7X that I also use, is just my go-to. It's easy to whip out if I'm in like public places and I don't want to be obnoxious. I'll bring that. And I also thought that I really enjoyed just the simple look, but I do want to challenge myself and start using this white camera more. My content is maturing, and so I also want my equipment to mature as well. As for music this year, expect tons and tons of new things. I'm really excited because I've already made plans to go back to Texas, record in the studio that I first recorded all of my songs at, and work with my favorite guy, Pat Mansky. He's a real one. Also, last year I didn't release any merch, so this year expect merch. Currently in the process of designing that and figuring out what exactly I want. So that probably won't come out until maybe March or April, but what a crazy feeling going from being at home all Christmas break. It was about a month that I was there, and then coming back here, and now I'm just back in my routine where it's just me, myself, and I, which I don't hate that. You know, I love being in my space. I'm obsessed with this house. This is my dream house. But I'm not gonna lie, it's hard doing long distance. It's hard also doing long distance with my friends and then my family. Anyways, enough of that. Summer of 2023 is going to be divine. My sister Catherine is in her senior year at the Air Force Academy right now, and she has 60 days once she graduates to do whatever she wants, go wherever she wants, and then she has to go into service, obviously. I obviously wanted time with her, so she and I are going to be going to Copenhagen, Denmark, and Edinburgh in Scotland. I like freak out just thinking about it. It's going to be the best trip ever. I'm also going to be going home a little bit, taking trips out of Austin just because it's a lot cheaper than traveling from Boise. People are going to be coming up and visiting Boise. Luckily, where I'm at, I can road trip anywhere I want. So I think 4 hours from me is Salt Lake City, which I love Utah. I want to go back to Utah. Content in the summer is also going to be really good, but I'm not going to lie, Vlogmas is just, it's a time. I love December. Let's cook some dinner. I'm actually starving right now. I've been grinding out my homework. I'm taking macroeconomics online right now, and let me tell you, online classes are not my thing. Some people totally can do it, but for me, no. So anyways, I'm gonna be making a little power bowl. So basically a Chipotle bowl. I'm gonna make some ground beef, then some cilantro lime rice, and then some black beans. So let's get cooking. I don't have any tortillas, otherwise I would totally turn this into like a tortilla, but we're just gonna eat it in a bowl. And yeah, maybe I'll have some veggies with it as well. I love pre-chopping and prepping all my like onions and stuff, but holy cow, this is on airtight and I feel like I'm gonna break my nails. Well, that didn't work, so now we're gonna try this. Oh, yes. Anytime that I go to the deli, I always ask for half a pound of ground beef, 1 chicken breast, or 1 salmon fillet, and then I cut it up and freeze it. Those are just the measurements and proportions that I use because I obviously don't have anybody living with. I usually can get the most amount of meals from that. by literally not me grabbing the garlic tool. This is what I meant to grab. My brain is all over the place right now. Okay, I am packing for a little sleepover at my friend Lex's apartment. So I already did my skincare, took off all my makeup and everything, but I need to pack my sleepover bag. And tomorrow we're gonna do a fun little workout at the gym in her apartment. So I need to figure out what clothes I wanna wear. I'm gonna wear this mint blue top tomorrow, and then I'm gonna wear black workout shorts. I'm not gonna need like a cute outfit. I do need to pack feminine products because I'm currently on my period right now and my cramps have been so bad. I don't know what happened. I feel like I'm literally with child right now, which I'm not, but retainer case, toothbrush. This looks really scary, but I promise you it's clean. She's just wrapped up at the moment. Then what else do I need? Deodorant, claw clip, hairbrush, feminine products. I think that's it. Anything else that I need? Oh, charger. All right, we'll take the eye mask, my charger. Something that I want to do more of this year is film actual talking in my vlogs versus just montages. Because I don't know, sometimes I feel like montages are cool, but the best part is when you're actually hearing the YouTuber or influencer like talk. So yeah, I'm gonna try to do that more. I just took the bathroom trash that has gross stuff in there. I brought my sleepover bag and then my school backpack because Lex and I are actually taking the same calculus class online, and it is so funny. We literally sit usually at my house on the couch, and on the big screen TV, we watch lessons on calculus, and it's like crazy because we hate teaching ourselves, obviously, but that's what you have to resort to, and it definitely makes it more fun when you're learning lessons and concepts, especially like college level classes with your friends, because I don't know, I feel more motivated to stay on track. That we can do like little get-togethers like what we're doing tonight. Right now the road is so blurry and it's literally raining. So I'm driving slower than usual just to be safe to everyone around me right now. Okay, I'm at Lex's apartment and we are doing homework right now. She's doing microeconomics. I'm doing macroeconomics. We're struggling. But anyways, if you guys liked today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't, don't do anything. I love you guys so much and I will see y'all in my next video. Ciao. Also, I got a dog.